How does genomics research benefit CFS Diagnosis? Imagine unlocking the secrets hidden in our DNA to better understand a complex illness. That's exactly what genomics research is doing for myalgic encephalomyelitis/chronic fatigue syndrome. This research helps identify specific genetic differences that are linked to the condition, turning it from a mysterious illness into a biological one. Instead of being seen as purely psychological, we now have evidence showing that genetics play a role in how the disease develops. Large studies analyzing thousands of DNA samples have pinpointed regions in the genome that are different in people with CFS compared to those without it. These regions often involve genes related to immune responses and nervous system functions, both of which are closely tied to the symptoms like fatigue, pain, and cognitive issues. This genetic insight is important because it supports the development of objective diagnostic tools. Right now, diagnosing CFS mainly involves ruling out other illnesses, which can be time-consuming and uncertain. But with genetic markers, doctors could potentially identify the disease more accurately and earlier in the process. Researchers have found 8 specific genomic regions associated with CFS by studying over 15,000 DNA samples. Some of these regions overlap with genes that respond to infections, which aligns with the common observation that many people develop CFS after viral or bacterial illnesses. This helps explain why symptoms such as fatigue and brain fog often follow infections. Advances in whole genome analysis and artificial intelligence have uncovered over 100 genes that increase the risk of developing CFS. These genes are active in tissues like the brain and immune cells, emphasizing how systemic the illness is. This research not only helps with diagnosis but also points toward potential targets for future treatments by revealing the molecular pathways involved. Combining genomics with other biomarker research, such as blood tests that measure immune responses, could lead to standardized, reliable diagnostic tests. These tests would help distinguish CFS from other conditions with similar symptoms, reducing the need for lengthy exclusion processes. In summary, genomics research benefits CFS diagnosis by providing biological proof that the illness is rooted in physical changes. It helps identify genetic markers that could become part of diagnostic tests, clarifies how immune and nervous systems are involved, and supports personalized medicine approaches. While these discoveries are promising, it's important to remember that this research is still evolving. Further validation is needed before these genetic tests become routine in clinical practice. Patients should always consult healthcare professionals for comprehensive evaluation and personalized care.